Hi everybody, this is Cathy from Katzel Create and welcome back to our channel. Oh my goodness, I am at my desk, yay! Anyways, sorry for the little yay. I'm so excited to be recorded at my desk. I am so excited. Anyways, I am coming along today with our Make It Till We Make It to our 1K collab with me and Tree from Craft On. And as many of you guys know, we've already hit our mark, but we were still lacking enough creations to send to a lucky winner. So we went ahead and decided to go ahead and continue it till the end of this month on September. At the end of this month, we will also be announcing our winner. So anyways, I don't have my items that I've already created. I will link the last two videos of the creations I've already created. I created a tote bag, tassels, I forgot about the tassels, and a banner. So I will link all those three videos on the description below, as well as Tree's channel, so you could guys go over and check her out. Again, if you guys still want to participate, you guys still have an opportunity. All you guys need to basically do is a VR. Make sure you are a subscriber of our channel. The VR does not have to be a YouTube VR. It could be an Instagram VR as well. The original video will let you guys know all that information, and I will also link that down on the description below. So last week I was a little off, and I do apologize for that, you guys. It's been weird having to do distance learning and not having my own personal time to do videos as I would love to. So today I had a chance to actually do a video, so I'm so excited. So let me go ahead and show you what I created for this week's, and now we were gonna go ahead and have 2 creations per week until our giveaway. So let me go ahead and show you what I've created, and do excuse if you guys have any glare, do excuse me. I do apologize for that. So I've already packed, well, I haven't completed the packaging, but I've already went ahead and put them in a little baggie, and bows was my next creation, and there you guys go. So for this one was this bow, I actually had to print it out on the internet, and got myself my little template, and this is what you guys see right here, and this is the other one for this one right here. So these are basically my little templates, and I am tracing and cutting. So yeah, so it takes a while, so I don't mind, as I love how they turned out. And as you guys could see, look at how cute. So I went ahead and did bows, and then I also went ahead and did embellishments. So for my embellishments, I kind of went a little crazy, you want to say. I created these, and these you can use for embellishment, for bag toppers. Oh my gosh, you can use this for anything. And there you go. So for these right here, I ended up printing out some of the digitals. I actually went ahead, before I forget, I did follow Tmika's tutorial. She had a tutorial on embellishments, and I will try to link that down on the description below, because it also followed another one that I also created. So it is basically crepe paper on the bottom, which some of them I stitch, and then it is like a oh my gosh, like a banner from the paper pad. And some, like I said, I printed some of the digitals, some of these are digitals, and there you go. And I went ahead and sewed that on there, and on some of them you can't really tell the sewing because I did hide it with these banners on the top, so I do apologize for that, and I gotta fix that right here. So these are all not glued on there. There's this the double-sided adhesive, and then there's washi tape, so whoever wants to use it can actually reuse this for a future project or anything, and they can use these and they're not tearing the paper on the bottom. So that's what I did those with that, and this right here, and as well as these. So again, these were all basically with using Tmika's creations, and basically remaking them. So these are my other embellishments. So what do you guys think? Oh, aren't they so cute? Oh my gosh, I had trouble at first, and then as soon as I started making the second one, they were so fun. And these bows right here were gifted to me from Leticia Savala, and she is on Instagram. I will link her down in the description below, and she handmade these, and these are so cute on there. Aren't they so cute? So I glossy accent these right here, as you guys could tell, and then I wing castelloed some of these items right here. And these are some paper pad that I got. It's like shiny glittery paper pad that I got from Michaels, and OMG. So I hope you guys like what I created. And oh my goodness, I was only supposed to be one embellishment, but I thought one embellishment wasn't enough, so I wanted to create another embellishment. And I hope you guys like this. If you guys are not subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you guys on board. And thank you again for all the subscribers that are on here with us and supporting us and being here. It is so much fun getting to know some of you guys, the new subscribers, and for the continuing supporters, thank you for following along and supporting us. And we will see you guys on our next video. I hope I was in frame. I hope. Oh my goodness, there you go. Anyways, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys on our next video next week on Monday again. Bye for now.